Hi, my name's Mandy Edwards. I am the Cancer Research UK Senior Research Nurse for Wales. But during this time of COVID-19 crisis, CRUK have allowed me to redeploy back to Aneurin Bevan Health Board, where I work as a research nurse. Currently, we are running many different types of research into COVID-19. We're looking both at data collection so we can understand the disease better, and we are also looking at drug treatments, which will help us be able to treat those who are infected. And also I know there are studies going to be set up which are looking at ways of preventing people from actually being overwhelmed with the virus. Research has never been so important as in this time of pandemic, and I feel it is a complete privilege, and I am very grateful to do the job that I do so that I can help as many as possible. Thank you.